This video demonstrates KMotionCNC Screen Editor's capability to run screen script commands to set the Windows focus to a control, click controls, press keyboard keys, and run subscripts, which are itself screen script commands. KFLOP can trigger screen script commands as well. We begin with an example screen that adds buttons to find the next tool change and previous tool change in the G-code editor. This functionality is possible by first setting the Windows focus to the G-code editor, then pressing a sequence of keyboard keys. Here, two buttons have been added to search for the next tool and to search for the previous tool. This simple G-code has some tool changes inserted. So if our cursor is in the editor window here and we say search for the next tool, notice the next tool is selected, the next, and going backwards we can search for the previous. This is all possible by first setting the focus to the G-code window and executing a sequence of keyboard commands. Control F to open the find window, M0*6 to set what to search for, and then a sequence of tabbing and minuses and pluses to set the options, up or down, and F to find the next one, and then finally to tab to the cancel key and hit enter to remove the search dialog. Here is the screen script, which is assigned to the Search Next Tool button. First, it is flagged as a subscript. This prevents all screen controls from being reset to their default state, as a full screen definition file would normally do. It then sets the Windows focus to the G-code editor control. Then a sequence of keys are depressed. The keys are defined as Windows virtual key codes. Here the names of the keys are included to show what sequence will occur. Here is the screen editor with the screen script loaded. The search buttons have been added here. The buttons are assigned an appropriate graphic. Also a tooltip and hotkey. When the button is clicked, this script is executed, which in turn executes the previously described subscript. Use the script dialog to help format script commands. Although there's no integrated support for subscripts, the script dialog can be used to display or create a line of screen script. Here the screen script executes a screen script file. To display a line of screen script, paste the screen script into a control and open the screen dialog. For example, here's a line of screen script. Copy, paste it into some control, and open the screen dialog. Notice it's a Windows message sent to the editor control to set the focus. We can also create screen script. For example, if we want to create a keyboard command to press the X key This would be the screen script for that command. Here's an example where KFLOP commands a line of screen script. This screen script command runs the subscript to search for the next tool in the G-code window. If we bring up the G-code window, we can see where the cursor currently is in this window, running the C program. Switches to the KMotionCNC program, focuses on the edit control, and searches for the next tool. If we repeat that again, it goes to the next tool. This concludes the video. Thanks for watching.